I got 1984 Honda 250R, second gen. I've wanted one of these for a while now. Still learning a lot with the two strokes and the differences and so forth. You know, we have the 86, and what's funny is the 86 came to me in January of 2022, and it's just been a ball ever since. And here we are, January again, 2023, and I found myself with a new project, another 250R.